I shipped a free tool for developers this week, an AI changelog generator that connects to your GitHub, read your commits, and generate release note for you. In this video, I'll show you what it does and exactly how I made it live without touching a single config on server. This is the changelog generator. It's live, it's free. You'll find a link in the description. I simply connect to my GitHub. This supports private repos as well. So if you're working on a client project, this works for you. I'll pick a repo. Let's take this one. As you can see now, it's added to our tracked one. Let's generate changelog. You can select branches. I'm selecting main. Select date and just generate. And you get a shareable link. You just copy and send to your client or your colleagues, and they can see this changelog, no login required. So that's the app. Now this is a full stack app. Node backend, Postgres database, and GitHub OAuth for private repos. Deploying something like this on raw VPS, you're looking at lots of configuration, SSL setup, environment variables, and definitely a couple of hours minimum. And you know what? I deployed this entire thing with AI under 5 minutes. Let me show you how. This is Kuberns, an Indian PaaS, AWS-backed, and it has something I haven't seen on Vercel or Railways, an AI agent that manages your entire deployment end-to-end. For that, you simply need to sign in. I'm going to sign in with my account. As you can see, my app is already deployed, but I'll show you how you can do that. Just tap on New Project. Connect repository and simply select your repository. And that's it. Exactly with just 3 steps, you're going to deploy your entire application with the help of AI. I'm going to hit deploy with agent without setting any environment variable. And that's on purpose. I want to show you something very amazing. Click on deploy with agent and proceed. And it started. As you can see, it's setting up AI agents for this project. AI agent got fired up and now it's setting our application. So currently it's analyzing our repository and its structure. And you can see entire AI agent log over here, how it's processing and understanding your project and how it can help to deploy. See that AI agent detected that our application used Postgres SQL, so it's asking for the configuration. We'll just simply put save and proceed. And then I'll add this resource once again. I'll tap on proceed. And now it will set up entire database without any interaction. And not just that, it will set the connection string automatically. And now at this part. Remember, we have skipped our environment variables intentionally, and now it's asking automatically to put all the environment variable without failing. So now I will add all of these values to proceed. Just tap save and close, and that's it. Now it will do everything automatically. You just have to sit back and enjoy. It's building now. Let me fast forward and come back. And our application is ready. It didn't crash, didn't fail silently at 2 AM. Just imagine doing this entire setup on raw VPS. You'd find out missing environment variable only when your user hits a blank screen. But this catches even before your application goes live. Building Next.js application, provisioning database, and migration all automatically. And not just that, you can add your custom domain, which I'll add later. But initially it provides you fully SSL configured URL. So you just tap visit and your application is live. Kuberns is sponsoring this video, and honestly, the timing made sense because I was already using it. If you sign up and use this coupon code, you'll get 2x of credit. You'll find all links and coupon code in the description. The entire project is open source. Link in the description. If you don't want your private repo data going through my server, that's fine. Go check out the repo, fork it, hit the deploy with Kuberns, and use it completely for free. Your own instance, your data, everything in 5 minutes. Kuberns link and coupon code also in the description. On next video, I'm adding a Slack notification on the same app, so your team gets pinged automatically every time you ship. Subscribe so you catch that. See you on next one.